So I've got this engineering spreadsheet that's used to design a compressor for an aircraft engine. It's unorganized with an inconsistent labeling scheme, with some cells using text labels, some using symbolic labels, and some missing labels entirely. This makes it challenging to follow the logic and structure of the spreadsheet. So Formula Insight is an Excel add-in that auto-generates textbook-style documentation for spreadsheets, making it easier to understand and review complex models. So once you have the add-in loaded, all you need to do is enter the context and click Generate Documentation, and the tool will start generating documentation. So for this example, I'll enter fluid dynamics for the context, and I'll hit Generate Documentation. And so the tool will start generating documentation, and it will provide contextual explanations for each formula in the sequential order of calculations, including variable definitions and assumptions. The raw Excel formula is displayed as an algebraic math equation for easy review and inspection. And you can click on it, and it will automatically highlight the corresponding formula cell along with its dependencies in the spreadsheet for easy review. So depending on the size of the model, it could take a few minutes for the documentation to complete. So for this demo, we'll just jump ahead. Once the documentation is completed, the tool will display a table of contents with clickable links that take you to a specific calculation. The documentation reads like a textbook where each equation is contextually explained in sequential order. So for example, we can click on the static pressure section, and it takes us to the static pressure explanation. The explanation first describes the significance of the equation along with a theoretical math equation. Next, the variables in the calculation are specified along with the calculation assumptions, and finally the derivation of the equation is summarized. Again, you can click on the equation and the spreadsheet automatically highlights the cell dependencies for easy visualization and inspection. By scrolling to the top, you can clear the highlights to restore any default highlighting that you may have already had by clicking Clear Highlights.